Right, so let's get right into this. This is a key for my Cayenne. We've got a new cover for it, and we're going to go ahead and install this new cover. So the first thing we're going to do, even though there's no instructions here, and the reason we're replacing this cover is because it's cracked right here, and so it basically has a little hood that opens and falls off. I'm going to pop these sides off, and well, since that little piece falls off so easy, this makes this very simple to do. Pop the sides off, pull that off, so then we're left with this. But this is really dirty. So since it's apart, we're going to take a little bit of glass cleaner on a paper towel and wipe that out. Try to clean it up a little bit. Now, this key is to a Cayenne that I recently got. So, this key was already like this from before. So the next thing we're going to do is take this, go ahead and lay it into place. Wonder why it doesn't actually have anything to hold it into place. Morning. So there's that first part on. Although that just falls right out, so I don't think I like that thing. What we're going to do is go ahead and reuse that part, because, well, this one just doesn't have anything to hold it in place. And we'll go ahead and snap this in. So the fitment on some of these is not the greatest, I would say. But you know, I guess if you spend $20 on key cover, you can't expect it to be the greatest. So there's the first part. Finally got the pop in, just mildly difficult. There's the first side. Second side. So there's our new key cover with the original rubber still in place. Because this one doesn't really have anything to hold it in place. I assume I could probably put a little glue here on this part to hold it in, but then I don't know how I would take it back apart if I needed to. There were no instructions that came with this. This is one that came from Amazon. Brand really doesn't matter. It's just a plastic key cover. However, I don't know that I would buy this particular brand again. It does go on. It does look okay for now. But that's the end result right there. So this middle piece can be quite difficult to put on. The new buttons that come with it are kind of trash, and overall it looks good though.